You got a footbridge for the city folk, and then you have the stones for us country folks. Hoo-yah! What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Tipsy Tripping Rednecks. I haven't done an intro like that in a freaking decade. We're still out here at O'Hara Homestead Mill. There's a trail. We're going to hit that trail. It might not be too eventful, but yeah. Now that I can actually leave Belleville, I'm all about the outdoors. I'm getting back into my nature. I may be wearing a leather jacket, but I rode a motorcycle here. And it's freaking cold. I should have worn my winter coat, but I wasn't as smart as you guys. So that being said, you're going to see all kinds of content, but originally I was only outdoors, camping, hiking, you name it. Everything had to do with outdoors. And then being stuck in a city, Belleville ain't much of a city, but being stuck in like a little city and not having transportation to do anything other than freaking e-bikes, that you go this distance and then you're walking home. So today we're going to hit the Fern Trail. Ow. And Fern Trail, what color is Fern Trail? Why don't I see all these trails? Okay, so we're right here. Let's start walking. Hopefully I don't fall. I don't know if you guys are going to see much, but it's a video. It'll be published sometime. Might be published right after that walk around at the mill. I don't know. Depends on how fast I'm editing. Ooh, this would be fun on the emo ox. Actually, no. I fall and stab my eyeball out with that stump. And then coming through here, oh yeah, it's even too tall for me. Oh, who put that tree there? My bag's loaded up. Well, not really, because if you get lost out here, then am I supposed to walk across there? Hopefully freaking not. It looks like the trail just ended. Let's go this way. Oh, there it is. It goes around. I gotta walk up a hill. Okay, I guess if I'm not biking every day. So peaceful out here. You don't hear anybody but myself and other people. I never should have drank so much coffee today. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know in these hiking videos when I'm not talking if you guys want to hear music or just the nature. I really want to know. Because if I was watching this video myself, I think all I would want is the nature of some guy banging on stuff. Yeah, at the black shop. Oh jeez, blacksmith. Oh jeez, gonna freaking kill myself out here at the blacksmith shop. I'm probably off the path, maybe. Hey, if I ever become homeless, I know where to come. Right here. I think I'm going to put my glovies back on. Nice little stream. Another little fort. And is this the end of, oh, maybe not. I think it just takes you to a parking lot. I knew these trails weren't that long, but heck it. Heck it? Is that a word? Heck it? Heck it. So, ooh, mud. Oh, that was some mud for sure. Okay, so I'm back here. Fern Trail. Huh? Wasn't this the way I came in? No, that gate was... I don't remember this. So since that one trail I was walking down was a little short, I decided to come down this trail. It's on the back side of the houses. And we went way up there at the syrup place, but we didn't actually walk on the trail, so I feel it's only right to go for a hike around the trail. Just to make a full out video. Then, you know, I knew all the trails were pretty short, but I thought it was, I think the distance I was looking at was maybe overall trail distance. There's a cool little app you can download. Now, I might seem out of breath, but yeah. I've been off my mountain bike for some time, especially now that I have, ooh, butternut hickory. A delicious tree. No, whatever that says. Oh, who said I had to walk up a hill? That's, yeah. Oh, they had horses back here. I see horse hooves. Feet, toes, shoes. So nice to get out of the city. Oh, okay, so the red trail is deer something, that's all I know. White birch. Always wanted a white birch. Wow. Heritage Trail, eh? Okay. We're gonna go down Heritage Trail. Don't know how long this one is. Watch, this is the very long one. I seen it takes about 37 minutes to complete, and it's like over 3 kilometers long, which at Fern Trail was definitely not 3 kilometers long. You probably just loop up. I don't know, I'm walking. Meanwhile, I'm not even on the trail. I'm on like a service trail. So remember in yesterday's video how I was telling you, showing you that machine that picked up rocks? I bet these were the rocks. No, it said it was somewhere else. That's a mighty big rock. There's your rock stone wall. Okay, I'm taking that. To me, I can see a roadway, so that'll take you to that side road there. Probably that goat path that I tried to take the bike down. God. People are probably like, oh! Yeah, trust me, I felt the same way when I seen that. Oh, now we're getting into the bush. This is my cup of tea. I better pull the 12 out and just be ready. I'm joking. That's for Crown land, not a conservation area. Yeah, I definitely got to get back into the habit of exercise. I'm still watching what I eat, but whew, when you e-bike for, like, pedal bike, I'm so confused right now. Oh, there's so many damn paths. That's going up to the road, I think. I don't know. This one caught my eye where it went deeper into the bush, so even though they're all marked yellow, yellow probably means do not enter. But yeah, whew, when you have that electric e-bike that you pedal and you do about 20 kilometers a day, and then you stop because you hurt your back and you don't do nothing for a month and a half, and then, oh, let's go out hiking. Yeah, you're going to be out of breath, but you know what? I gotta put a fat video up because you'd be surprised how much weight I freaking lost. Like, I'm kind of shocked about it too, but yeah, back to the camera, to the trail. I don't have my sunglasses on right now because I won't be able to see in here. This is the trails I like. There's a couple. I found one trail, it's rated difficult. I don't know what they could, not in here, but up in Bancroft. It was said it was difficult. It was a 10-kilometer hike or 11-kilometer trail. I don't know what that's entitled, but one day off that it's nice in summer, I'll do that. Go up to Bancroft right now, they probably all the trails are snow covered still. 37% battery, not too bad. Filmed a video from Belleville to Madoc, then filmed all the old buildings and stuff, and then some trails. I got 2 spare batteries with me. I think I definitely picked the right way to go. The other way just looked like it was going to the road, so yeah. Definitely nice. This would be a fun trail to hit with the emo ox. You are here. Holy shit. Right there. I gotta pee. How can I say this might be a much longer, this is probably a long trail. This is probably a 3.8 kilometer trail, I bet. I'll have to go back and I'll have to look at the video, and once I know what size trail it is, I'll put it in the video. Cause yeah, I don't know what O's mean, but Ozark. I'm in the Ozark. That down there kind of looks like a trail, but that leads through the swamp, and I really don't want wet feet going home on a motorcycle. Because again, it is like 5 degrees Celsius out, which is like, I don't know, 40 something Fahrenheit. Meh. Oh, that was a rock. Yeah. It's so relaxing to come out here. Let's see. This photo from our O'Hara archives may well have been taken at this spot. Although the shanty is long gone, evidence of the stone fire arch and rusty out finished pan remains. Raw sap was boiled down in large cast iron kettle. So like the same setup they have up there, they said they have remains down here. Huh. That's pretty wild. I love the history. I love the nature. Call it a midlife crisis. I've always been into hiking and stuff, but you know, especially now, being able to document it. Okay guys, so you got a footbridge for the city folk, and then you have the stones for us country folks. Hoo-yah. I picked the stones. I bet 90% of the kids take the stones too. Meh. That's probably for old people. No offense if you're old and watching. White cedar. They confiscate trees here. Watch out. What happened to the yellow trail? I'm on red. And oh, Had to do some cutting. Jesus. Lordy, lordy, look who's almost 40. So, you know, now you might ask me, Trippy, would you do this if you weren't recording? Yeah. That goes green. This place is a lot bigger than I first thought. Way the hell somewhere, I don't know where, guys. I stick with red. Obviously we lost yellow, so we go red now. Yeah, I'd probably be out here right now without recording. Don't have to worry about things to say, how I'm holding the camera, if the dingling's hanging out from peeing. I actually now got to turn the camera off and stop and pee instead of walking and peeing. That's a green blue trail. Or a pink. White pine. Who doesn't like some white pine? Oh, sugar maple is the best. I hear another waterfall. Does that mean I'm back to my motorcycle? I guess we will. No, this doesn't look familiar. Trippy don't get lost in the bush. I may get lost on the road, but not the bush. Do I have a compass, you ask? Not here. Is it usually in my hiking bag? Yeah, I had it in there. I had everything. Do I got my fire starting thingamabobber in there right now? Yeah. Because you know what, if I can't find my way home, I'll just make a fire and eat some pine cones. Yeah. Stones are a little wet. I was thinking about crossing that, but I look at that stone and I'm like, I'm gonna fall, slip in, and I'm gonna be in the worst mood driving home. These trails, you could walk forever. I don't know. I'm gonna walk along the creek, the stream, the river, the ocean, the sea. This must be the I don't know, that sea. See? Yeah. I'm having a blast. Oh, you know what? If you're watching this for the first time, hit subscribe so I can become famous and I don't have to work and I can do this every day. If I could do this every day, I would love it. There's 2 more trails. What the pecan sakes? Losa Vista Way or Mc... What, guys? Let's go for the big hill. Yeah, no, big hill. Everyone's probably like, oh, you'll go to small hill. Yeah, right. I want a challenge. Meanwhile, my hands are frozen. My tummy is sweaty. Oh, well, I kind of know where I am now. I'm at a white ash tree. Whew. The motorcycle's over yonder. Oh, I can probably see it around the bend here. Oh, is this going to take me right to the motorcycle? Maybe. Well, if that is, that'll be the end of the video if I get up here and find out. So let me know if you guys want music playing or just the sound of nature and good old Trippy himself. Because whatever has the most votes is the way I'm going to do it. And if the camera's really shaky, I apologize, but yeah, it's going to be shaky for hiking. I'm not, no, Tipsy's the good camera guy. He has the gimbal. Okay, This definitely doesn't take me to the motorcycle. That's okay. I'm doing fine. Oh, this looks technical up here. Nice little stream coming down. Oh, maybe it is. That's the parking lot. Oh, wow. There's a few other trails. I can come back another day and head, I guess. Where's the motorcycle? I don't see you. Someone drive off with it. People would take this way, that's why. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of that video. Check out the pig herself. She's a little dirty. Especially that freaking shit path that I had to drive down. I didn't have to, but I didn't know better. But hey, I made it. I survived. Hell yeah, guys. Make sure you have a good day. Hit the subscribe button. I appreciate that. And have a great day. Stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay redneck. Cheers, y'all.